I'm Kelly with Whittle Advisors. Today I'm here to tell you about my recent trip to Washington, D.C. I joined HBMA's Hill Day 2017. It was a great opportunity to talk about key issues that are impacting the healthcare industry. I had the pleasure of meeting with teams from Senator Gary Peters and Debbie Stabenow's offices. We had an opportunity to talk about administrative simplification, perhaps not quite yet a buzzword, that will help the healthcare industry reduce the administrative burden associated with providing care to beneficiaries through streamlining the billing process. Administrative simplification isn't a new idea or concept. In fact, it's actually part of the HIPAA regulation. Now, we all know that HIPAA is about protecting the privacy of our patients and their personal health information. In addition to administrative simplification, we talked about the problems caused through narrow networks. Narrow networks restrict access to specialists for patients primarily in the marketplace. Now, in addition to the senators, I also had an opportunity to speak with the team from Congressman Jack Bergman's office. There again, we spoke about administrative simplification, narrow networks, and ideas on how to improve the efficiency in our healthcare industry. As a healthcare consultant, I'm very concerned about waste and abuse in the industry. U.S. healthcare is too expensive, our outcomes are too poor on a personal level, and the health of our population is decreasing, not increasing. In fact, many will tell you that the new generations have a life expectancy that's lower than their parents. This is unacceptable in the U.S. healthcare market. We need to find a way, by working together, to provide healthcare and improve the health of our populations while reducing the cost. Otherwise, our healthcare system is completely unsustainable. The good news is that of the teams that I met with, they're very engaged in understanding what is required on the front line to do just that, to reduce the cost and improve the outcomes. We had a great opportunity to talk through some ideas and some concepts. At Whittle Advisors, we're excited to be part of the solution as the healthcare industry continues to evolve. Well, I'm excited to share something that's up and coming, and I'm hoping you'll be excited too. Whittle Advisors was recently invited to speak at the 41st World Hospital Conference in Taipei, Taiwan. Now, this conference doesn't take place until November, almost the very end of this year. We're very excited to be asked to share our knowledge of administrative simplification, utilizing best practices and process improvement, as well as the utilization of technology in new and innovative ways to streamline and reduce the cost of administrating healthcare for an entire population. Our excitement is started right now in the research process and pulling the content together in a way that's both effective and efficient for a global audience. I'd love to hear back from you if you're interested in this topic. I'll share what I know, and I'd love to hear what you know about the topic. We're looking forward to a very prosperous year, and we'd like to invite you to come along for the ride. Stay connected by sharing, liking, and subscribing to these videos, and we'll be sure to share what we're learning, and definitely we'll share how the trip to Taipei turns out. I'll see you next time.